At Continental Office Group, we take pride in being the #1 office furniture dealer in Dallas, Fort Worth. Our enormous ever-changing inventory speaks for itself. View our latest additions in executive and ergonomical seating at www.continentalofficegroup.net. Picking the best office chair or desk chair. There's a case to be made for paying more attention to what to look for in an ergonomic office chair, desk chair, or computer chair than the desk itself. Considering all the hours you'll spend sitting in it, a bad one can negatively impact your performance, your comfort, and your health. If you sit in your office desk chair for 40 hours each week, for 50 weeks a year, that means 2,000 hours spent in your chair each year. Even if you're only spending half that number of hours sitting, it still makes sense for you to get the most comfortable office desk chair or home office chair you can. Let Continental Office Group help you find your perfect office chair today. Stop by our showroom located just minutes from Dallas, or call us today at 214-349-3000. Visit us online at www.continentalofficegroup.net.